Guys, it is amazing how something so small can save you a whole lot of time and trouble. This is the Selfie Mirror by Skaron Accessories. Guys, you always want to use the rear facing camera on your phone because they're the best lenses on your phone. But, the problem with that is that you can't see yourself. To make sure you're centered, to make sure you look okay, and all that other stuff. Now, this thing, even though it's small, it allows you to see yourself so you can be centered, in the lens. So I'm going to let you see how it looks here on one of my iPhone cases. And as you can see it here, I don't know if you can see me there. Yep, you can see. Well, you can see my shirt. It lets you see yourself while using the most powerful lenses on your phone. So this little gadget saves a lot of time. It really, really does. So you guys, check this out. Make it a great day.